Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited BSNL Meghalaya Secondary Switching Areas SSA akakar kandai terik nailor kala pentep makanang ab banyo ya kajing menjur nak sorkar pedang ketrat kampo ieng nak bentaban bo iki sanpundri teli kitawar haki jaka kapot ke Indo Bangla kan ni kejela habai kran bikilat pathai kubor ke BSNL GMTD Meghalaya Secondary Switching Areas kala ong ketrat kala dep banpa ya ke kaipot jongka projek syakatnat pat kajing kain kelum jongka ni ke projek kalong kumba nyopo klor tingka kalau ong ru bayaman ta kinang ab banyo ya kajing menjur nak ketika tenan kalau ong pakajing temu banbo ikini kita war hapo Central Armed Police Force plan kam datang menyerap ya kisipai BSF ndai kalong ru ban penyo network sikipat ba katang kapot.
The towers of BSF along the international border with Bangladesh. So we have already submitted the detailed project report to the government of India, but we are awaiting the clearance of the government of India. Once the clearance will come, we will be using the BSF towers. We will, or rather the BSF locations, infrastructure, the border outpost of BSF along the international border of Bangladesh in Meghalaya will be setting up around 56 towers. But we are still awaiting the clearance and the sanction from the government of India. Through the Ministry of Home Affairs, they will be funding the project.